Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix quarantine zone, the last check, gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam option, now click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon over here, now click on power and then select restart. So this will completely restart your PC as well as Steam. And after that, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then try to launch the game and check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, again come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files are verified, now check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. So here you will be able to see an update option if there is available. So simply click on it and after updating the game, now check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issues. So you must try it once. If it doesn't resolve the issue, move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. And after updating the Windows to the latest version, now check if the gamepad is working or not. Apart from this, there are some other troubleshooting tips to follow. That is clear cache on Steam. So Steam users go to Steam, click on Steam, click on settings, click on downloads and go below and here you will find clear cache option. Click on it. Here you have to confirm it. After confirming it, restart your Steam and you have to log into it once again, and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to if you are using wired plug for your controller, then unplug it and replug it once and then check whether it's working. Also suggested to use big picture mode for the game. So when you go to Steam, here a big picture mode is available. Click on it and after you entered it, launch the game and check whether you can play it or not. If you can play it, again exit big screen and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So via these methods you can easily resolve quarantine zone, the last check, gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.